So first we'll check the remap option in F7 command. So to demonstrate the remap option, I will just the command which I am doing right now. As of now, you don't want to learn. You will learn that maybe in later. So to demonstrate the remap option, I need to do this one. Okay. Again, coming back to F7. See here, initially when I mesh this surface, all the elements are uniformly arranged, right? As you can see here and on. But now, in some case, if I'm having an irregular mesh over a surface or line, by using remap option, I can rectify that one. Okay. So how to do that one? Just listen. Node list. Okay. So node list, I'm selecting each nodes manually, right? And I need to align or I need to remap all these nodes along this line. So the line I have selected here, then remap. See here, now what had happened? All the nodes are made into equidistance, right? On this line. So this is how the remap option will work. Okay. So once again, I will just show you Control Z, right? So I just want to make the mesh an uniform manner in the disturbed areas. What I need to do, just F7, press F7, remap option, node list. So initially I just selected manually 1, 2, 3, 4 in that way, but we are having one more option. Just click on the this node list letter, and you will get this bypass option. So you click here and click here. So automatically this path will be identified, and onto that path, what are the nodes coming, it will be getting selected automatically. You don't want to manually select by one. Okay. Then what you need to do, you need to select the line over which you want to make the nodes equidistant. So select line list, click this line, then remap, right? So this is a very powerful option actually when we deal with BAW components to maintain the flow. Okay. Then the second, the last one, the align node command, I will just explain. Suppose if I want to align this node in accordance with these two nodes, I can do that. How? Very simple. Click onto this node, then this node, right? And I just want to align this node in line with these two selected nodes. So I'm clicking these nodes now. Just give align. So it will align in line with these two nodes which I have selected. Right? Once again, F7, align node. Just select two nodes. Okay. Then onto which node you want to align. That node you select, align. So it will get aligned. Right? Then again, you can do the same. F7. See. So application of this command we will learn when we deal with the actual problem. Okay. So as of now, I'm just covering these two options. Okay. Right now. So I hope you make sense with these two commands. Okay. Then F8. Okay. So we have discussed. You please write it down. F7. F7, as you can see here, if you press F7, it will show node edit. node edit. So F7, you write node edit. Okay. Then next you will learn what is F8, F9, F10. Okay. So coming to F8, as you can see, nodes in the status bar, you can see like nodes. So this option is something related to nodes. Okay. Basically, this option is to create nodes on a surface or a line. Okay. Or if you want to put any nodes by using coordinates, you can do that. So for time being, I'm just deleting. Okay, I will just mask it. Okay, mask. For masking, I need to use F5 command. Just mask it. Again, come back to F8. So this first option is to create nodes based on the XYZ coordinates. Okay, how to create one node? Actually, as of now, I'm just masking the surface as well, or else it is better for understanding. Just to mask surface, then lines I will just mask it. Okay, so I don't have nothing in my screen. F8. Okay, so I need to create one node, temporary node. I can create it by using coordinates 0, 50. Okay, create, or else reject 0, 0, 0. If I give 0, 0, 0, and if I create a node, that node has came here, which is my origin. Okay, so if I give y is equal to 50 mm, if I give create, see here one temporary node will create, then 50, 50, here it will come, right? Then if I want to create, so I hope you understood, like we can create the nodes by using the coordinate system. Okay, this is how we create temporary nodes in a space by using coordinate system. Okay, then I'm just coming back to, I'm just unmasking the surface, unmask all. Okay, again elements, I'm just masking it. Okay, again come back to F8. See here, if I want to put nodes on a surface, okay, if I'm keeping surface, I can just put nodes wherever I want to. What I need to do? What I need to do? F8. This icon I need to click, then surface. Okay, there are a number of options, other options. You can just try it out by your own. Okay, but predominantly we have to use this option only, surface. Okay, surface. So the surface you select first, then click, click, click. Wherever you want to create the nodes, there and all you can click, and you can just create temporary nodes, right? Okay. Then again F8, this option you can see. This option is, suppose if you want to, suppose we are having, if you're having a curve, okay, one curve in this way. If you click this line, it will create the center. One node it will create. That would be the center of the circular radius. Okay. For that one, you can use this command. This option you can use. Okay. So if we keep lines, it will create one point. It will create one temporary node on a point which will be the center of the arc or circle, like that. Okay, so the next option is like nodes. Okay, it is nothing but, suppose we are having one one hole. Okay, second, we're having one hole, and I have just meshed it. Okay, this is top view. You just assume I just meshed it. Okay, I'm having mesh here. If you keep lines, I mean, instead of lines, if you keep nodes, you just select this node or this node or this node. If you give enter, it will create one node here, which will be the center of this circle. That is what this option refers to. So all these options, I mean, as every time that I'm saying, like you will learn in a better way when you deal with the actual problems. Okay. So similarly, there are like points option also there. So you can just explore these things when we deal with the actual problems. Okay. Okay. The next one is line. Okay, line. So if you want to put nodes on a line, you can do that. You just have to select the line over which you want to create the nodes. So as you can see here, number of nodes, this one here. Suppose if I want to keep 5, click 5, enter, then create. So this over this line, I will get 5 nodes. If you want 10 nodes, specify the number, click on the line, create. It will create 10 nodes in that way. So similarly, you can just explore these two options as well. But I mean, predominantly we will use these first four options only. So these options very rarely we will just use. I mean, not at all useful, we can say. So at least these 4 options you learn right now. Okay. So by this one, our node edit F8 command has finished, right? Then F9. So F9 command, as of now, I'm not teaching you, but as of now, you just write F9 as line edit. So for F8, you can just write it down like node creation. Okay. So F9 is like line edit. Okay. So the F9 option is nothing but we can edit the lines which we have created. Okay. Suppose actually these options are much useful, I would say, but I will just explain theoretically how, I mean, these options will work. Suppose if I'm having a couple of lines, if I want to join the lines, I can join it. If I want to split at a point, that I can do with the split at a line option in that way. So as of now, I'm not explaining these things. When we deal with some of the real-time problem, we'll just demonstrate this one, because with this model we cannot I mean explain these options, right? Or else couple of I mean operations I will just show you. I will just create few lines. F9 combine. So initially, as you can see here, you just look closely. This is one line, second line, and third line, right? Suppose if I want to select, or if I want to make this as a single line, what you need to do, you just need to go to this option, select this line, first line. See, now it has joined. Now, if you go delete option, see this has become one single line in that way. So you yourself can explore, I mean, couple of the options here, but we will just in detail, we will just explain these things when we deal with the actual problem, right?